got you then. Hey, come on.
I win. Rather, I shall win, you fat fuck.
I was quite happy to eat like that.
Let's just close the screen so stop wasting battery.
That's why there ain't lights on. James, what's done?
I want lots of videos of people so I can get lots of videos of people.
Remember everyone!
What?
Remember everyone!
So for me, isn't it? I am everyone. Yeah.
Can't anyone tell?
Fall over,
It's got a
not.
fucking red light on!
The more you fall over, the
Recording!
better. The more you fall over, the better.
You dicky cum shooter.
Yeah, no one falls over apart from you. He's shit!
Go pickle fucker. I love you. No you don't, Ryan.
So do you, but I don't complain.
Yeah you do. Fuck off!
Something felt stuck
You've
on
got
my
own.
wheel.
Let's go into top.
Jesus.
Okay.
You're still wearing your chef trousers.
Oh yeah. Back crack.
That's not.
I'm ever so sorry to quite a lot
Hey.
fed up with the tip. Can't seem to.
Have you seen his? He's wearing a chef.
Still wearing them.
We should do a video, just me and you in chef clothes.
I was thinking of coming up here on Christmas Day and dressed up as Santa Claus.
Oh shit!
Say what?
You can't skate shit!
Don't say that, it's recording.
But you can't skate.
Yeah.
You can't skate.
Getting out well.
Tits. What are you doing?
You remember?
Where? Can I have that off? Boobies.
Fuck!
Breasts!
Stay there, Sam.
Somebody wax it!
Why? Fine. Even I'm grinding it.
Yeah, well Johnny does. Ah, Johnny's got poo stain. Johnny's got poo stain. Johnny, you got poo stain! This is getting this is getting zoomed in on. Zooming on Johnny's
Shit, I almost fell over.
poo butt.
This is really annoying.
You got a poo stain.
No, it's actually.
You got a poo stain!
I can't skate.
Failure.
What the fuck?
Just can't be.
Right, that's good.
So we getting where? We.
It's actually.
He gets it.
Yeah, yes. What do you say? It's us.
No, because it's hardly anything.
It's a poo stain.
involved.
It's a poo stain.
It's not. Tell me
It's a
you
poo
had
stain.
to, yeah.
It's a poo stain.
I've never ever had a poo.
That's going right on the end of the video. I've never had a poo. It's like on Blocker's video where it's just like, yes, I do take it in the Chinese.
Yeah, that's really sticky.
You're really sticky. Here you are. Fucking hell.
Put a foot in from this side, it's really
Come
sticky.
on, come on. Here you are. Probably into it.
It just really hurt.
Yeah, come on. I want to get this on video. This is hardcore. Hardcore. Hardcore waxing on the video.
Yeah! To the soul.
Lean over, Mon.
Peni.
Tell these stuff.
That's plural.
Eat
You want many peni?
more than one piece. Not more than two, though.
Have you seen
Yeah,
those
it's
men with two
hardcore.
penis?
Thank
Huh?
Have you
you.
seen those men with two penis? A jug.
No, because I don't look at that sort of thing.
Neither have I.
I know what sort of like.
Yeah, I look. You look at horse porn.
What's your point?
Fucking big.
know,
It's like
isn't
a
it?
big ball. Really small chick. It's like
I gotta move the camera.
Put it on the quarter pipe.